Hello, and thank you for joining me for this tutorial on setting up the Go Zone ATB for visual mode and the MetaTrader strategy tester. My name is Ron Myers. I'm one of the founders of Go Zone Trading. In this short video, I guide you through the setup process for the Go Zone ATB in visual mode using the MetaTrader strategy tester. It's important to follow each step carefully, as even a minor mistake or a misplaced space can cause issues with the tester and lead to frustration. Feel free to pause the video and follow along with each step. Before we get started, please take a moment and pause this video and read our disclosure. This video is for educational purposes only. Please be aware that past performances do not guarantee future results. It's a valid assumption that if you're using the strategy tester, you've already downloaded, installed, and set up the necessary components of the Go Zone ATB. This includes the ATB itself, the ATBI indicator, lock levels, and the countdown timer. Additionally, you should have configured the default template to display these indicators on your chart. If you have not completed these steps yet, please make sure you do so before proceeding with this tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is open up your default chart. Then right-click your chart, go to the indicator list, highlight, and delete the countdown timer. You cannot have an indicator programmed to work in current time on something you're going to backtest. Next, go to View at the top of your chart, then find Strategy Tester and select it. Next, make sure it is set to Expert Advisors. Next, go to the Strategy Tester and find the Go Zone ATB 2.0. Highlight everything and copy it. Next, go to your chart that you have opened, right-click it, go to Templates, and then select Save Template. Paste the Go Zone 2.0 here. Before clicking Save Template, you need to delete the ex4 file. Then click Save. Now your strategy tester will show the indicator, lock levels, and the ATB while in visual mode. Here are a few tips to help you when using this tool. If you want to speed up your testing, especially if you're testing several days in a row, take the tester off visual mode and it will perform much faster. Then when you think you're zeroing in on your settings, then put visual mode back on to see it execute your trades. Next, to speed up the tester while in visual mode, go here and adjust the speed. Not all instruments can undergo testing with the strategy tester, and each broker has different capabilities. How can you verify whether your instrument you wish to trade can be tested? Open the strategy tester properties, then go to Testing tab. Select currencies and take note of all that are listed there. Now go to the instrument you'd like to trade, highlight it, right-click it, and then click on Specifications. Go to Margin Currency, and if the currency listed is not on the tester list, you cannot test it. Each broker is different. For example, you cannot test the Japan market on Pepperstone, however, you can on IG. Next, when testing different markets, make sure that you have selected the correct currency for the market you are testing. If you run a test and you get a zero profit result, this would be the first thing I would check. It's an easy thing to overlook. If you're testing the buy-sell line strategy, here's where you would select the ATB to take only long or only short positions. The last tip of the day is, most people see the optimization section and think this will save them time. I have not found this to be true at all. Using this feature, you could be waiting days to get results, and then you choose another field to optimize and the process starts all over again, but longer. You can hone in on the best settings with a little trial and error. The markets keep changing, and what is great for the past 3 months may not be the best settings for the next 3 months. Keep testing each month to see if you need to make slight adjustments to your strategy. I want to thank you for your time, and I hope this helps you get off to a good start using the strategy tester. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@gozonetrading.com. Until next time, have a great stress-free trading day. Thank you.